Hey guys, Jerry here with NXTGEN Graphics. Today we detail pontoon boat. So detailing this pontoon today. It's not a very old boat. I think it's 4 years old. But you can see detailing, cleaning and treating the seats, waterproofing the seats good, getting some of the, if you guys have been around boats much, you know that they turn kind of black. They get this black film on them, and gotta wash that off every year. It's not too bad. If you let it sit and get real bad, it'll eat at the seats. But you can see we've got getting these cleaned up and waterproofed. Looking good, and then this floor, they're super easy to clean. But getting her cleaned up, and then we'll shine and polish the outside. And
when their paws touch you, they jump. Right.
Aaron's over here talking about dog training, dog.
Yeah, we're training dogs.
See any other spots, guys? Looking good. That's what we're looking like, and we'll probably scrub that carpet. How's that carpet looking, Aaron? Have you looked at it? Not really.
It was pretty dirty, but I sprayed it. I don't know what it's right now.
So, yeah, if you guys live anywhere close to where high volume of boats and kind of stuff, this is a nice, really quick, easy way to make money. You can detail these out in about 2 hours. Get them good and clean, shined up, polished. We have a lake pretty close here, so we do a lot of work with boats and that kind of thing, and watch us clean a boat. So we also using Super Clean. That's our cleaner of choice. Our mixture here also has Super Clean with a little bit of ceramic protecting in it. So a lot of this black stuff, the Super Clean will take right off. We've got the Super Clean in the sprayer. This is Super Clean and water mixed on about a 4-to-1 ratio. And we'll see what she does here. Yeah?
Okay, I'll just sit out there and watch. Yeah.
So, if you guys ever want to get sticky residue, kind of like glue and that kind of thing off, world famous WD-40 and these little scouring pads, they work really good. They're non-scratching, so they take that stuff right off.
Fine, who's he talking to? These guys are people.
My friends, talking to my friends. My friends. You see, y'all ain't my friends.
Wait, we have a YouTube channel and a TikTok?
You just think y'all are funny.
Got a few trees. Have you had any luck in these little black streaks out.
Some of them come off, some of them not.
This one's like, it's not as dark anymore.
Yeah.
Can't get completely.
Yeah, a few. Good looking boat though. Clean right up. Got this side rinsed off. We kind of skipped the foaming stage, but we did foam with the foam cannon.
So we have to go. They put this.
And Aaron's currently rinsing it off. Aaron and Lane.
He
talking to somebody again?
Yeah, he's talking to my friend.
Rinsing it off. Weather's crap today.
Yeah.
Supposed to rain here in about an hour. Well, there is, yeah, there's a nice horse out there. Yeah, a couple horses.
Couple horses, yeah. They're real pretty.
He needs more hose. Oh, yeah, have some horses. And a lot of you guys probably don't get to see Kentucky scenery, but we like living out here. It's good. We stay pretty busy. The weather cooperates with us. That's the problem we're having right now. The weather doesn't cooperate with it.
I won't mention the Keisha that we got you.
Alright, so we got the outside rinsed off. Now we're going to go back in with the regular water hose to rinse the residual soap off the floor, so we don't use a pressure washer on the floor and damage and separate the flooring from the glue and that kind of thing. Just makes it a little easier. Let me hit that for you. You're good. Rinsing the booties off. Lane's over here. I think he's struggling a little bit. Don't have to do all that, Lane. It's these new guys you get, you know. They ain't worth $5 an hour, but we're gonna pay him $5 an hour. See, I gotta love his shirt though. Look,
Yes, that's right.
look at that. Woo.
Whoa.
Yeah, usually we tuck it in there and just put the hose in behind the side or whatever. It's a chore to get it in behind there, so. See that? See how hard that was? Aaron fusses every time.
Yeah, it's the most difficult thing I've ever done. My life.
Good deal. Look out. You got that right in there, boy. You're hired back. I take it back. Everything I said.
Worth at least $5.
At least $5.
Y'all lean the boat the other way?
Yeah, you ready?
No problem. We're just gonna stand on it. We're real heavy.
And that's boat washing 101. There's not much to it. They're easy to clean. Good quality help. Catch you on the next one.